Stars coming out. One of our favorite bands here at Fuse, we got Slipknot. Welcome, gentlemen, to the Chainsaw Awards.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, I am told that there's a DVD coming out.
Yeah, December 5th.
December 5th, yes. December 5th. There's going to be like a full-on documentary performance style. What's in it?
It's basically like a documentary of the last 2 years making our last record, the whole road, a bunch of backstage clips, pretty much a lot of stuff that the fans haven't been able to see, you know, from like our other DVDs and stuff like that. And we also have like 9 live songs and interviews with the whole band, so it's really in depth inside the world of Slipknot.
That's cool. What's it gonna be called?
It's called Voluminal Inside the Nine.
All right, Slipknot, thank you guys so much. Jody.
We've got Jonathan Davis from Korn here right now, walking on the black carpet.
Most thrilling killing are the members of Slipknot and the one and only Leatherface!
Thank you so much. I thought we were, presenting an award with Leatherface.
Yeah, I don't know. Where is Leatherface? I didn't see him.
Oh.
Guys, I'm right here. I'm Andrew Bernarski. I play Leatherface.
I don't mean to be a douche, dude, but I don't see any leather on your face.
I'm not gonna wear the mask like everywhere I go. It would just... That'd be weird, dude. And ridiculous. Tonight, the nominees for the most thrilling killing in the first Fuse Fangoria Chainsaw Awards are...
Most thrilling killing. Snakes on a plane.
That's my big boy.
Bitch, get off my... Saw 2. Hostel.
What do you want me to do, man?
Final Destination 3.
Pull up, man, pull up! There's no one in that truck!
Leatherface, 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 Leatherface.
Archive Fuse and Fangoria TV.
And the winner for the most thrilling killing is Saw 2.